If you're down by the waterfront, look to the west of the existing bridge and you'll see 2 barges with drilling rigs on board. They've started the geotechnical boring. 2-inch samples at the bottom of the river where the new piers will be placed, so we understand what's going on below the water. So what exactly is the team doing in each of these steps? Well, I've got no idea, but I'm very sure that the folks at the Bridge Authority, the engineers at Kiewit, and the project team from HNTB will be able to take a look at these videos or ones they produce on their own and give us a full picture of what got done, what the sampling's shown, and what next steps are. It's exciting at least to see these new steps getting underway.